What's going on, guys? I come back at you again. I know it's been a while. I've been pretty busy. I think it's been like, I want to say almost 2 months since I've made my last video, which I extremely apologize for. I'd gotten a new job and I work longer hours, so yeah, I thought today while I have the day off, I'd make a video. So, and in my video before last, I was talking about the main relay and how I was having trouble with the car starting when it's cold, or when I go to get gas. I go to start the car and it does the same thing. It won't start. You have to wait. The relay won't click over. So I finally got sick and tired of it, and I decided today I'll just hunt down that main relay and then take it apart and resolder it. Well, in the 88 Prelude they hit it pretty well, so I'd take the under the dash where the footwell is for the driver's side. I'd take that apart, and then it was hidden in a little crevice, so finally found that. But I'll show you what that looks like. So here you go. This is the main relay for the 88 Prelude, 3rd gen. Little focus here. There we go. And this thing was a pain in the ass to get out, but finally got it out, and it's really dusty, so let's pop open the inside and see what it looks like here. I'm not imagining it's going to look too good because how bad it is to start my car, so I'll get that all cleaned up. But yeah, that's pretty bad. It's actually worse than what I thought it would be, so as you can see here, that's burnt. That's pretty bad. So let's see here. Sorry about this, guys. This point right here, that's pretty bad, as you can tell right there. And then these two are the major ones that are giving me huge problems, so that's pretty bad also. And then this one's horrible. And then these two over here, those are pretty bad. That one's getting there, but this one's pretty bad too. But as you can tell, this main relay, it's, I don't know if I should just resolder it or just scrap it and buy a new one, but I'm gonna try to resolder it and see if that does the trick. But yeah, that definitely needs to be resoldered. So you can tell right here there's a crack in that solder. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a good job and take my time and resolder these. So yeah, I didn't think it'd look that bad, but it's pretty bad though. But yeah, this is the little bugger that was giving me problems. So, but doesn't look too bad on the other sides, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and resolder that. So there's a look at it. And like I said, this is the main relay for the 1988 Honda Prelude 2.0 SI, 3rd generation. So here's your part number in case you have the same problem and you just decide you want to order a new one. So here you go. But I'm going to get this cleaned up and soldered, and then I'll come back at you with the finished result. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back here at the Prelude. Got everything all torn out, as you can see. This focus is ridiculous. There we go. I got everything torn out. So essentially, the relay was sitting, I don't know if you can see this, but is where the relay connects into, and then it sits right back in here. So here's the under console thing, and then the ashtray key coin thing sits here. So essentially the relay sits behind here, this thing, and it just tucks in here, and it's a pain in the ass to get to, but I finally got it out. But anyway, I resoldered it. It doesn't look the best because I tried to get most of that dirty stuff off as much as I possibly could, but I resoldered it better than what it was. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this together, and then hope that this fixes my clicking problem. So because it was a bit ridiculous. So but yeah, this thing was the problem the whole time. So I can get it back in here, but yeah, I had a huge problem getting this out, like I said. It's not fun, but I finally got it out. Sure don't make it easy putting it back in, I'll tell you that. So it just clicks, like I said, back in. Good to go. So essentially this is your relay. So, and then it goes back up under here, so I'll go ahead and do that. It just said it's a pain in the ass, but there you go. So that's where it sits. And then it sits in this little spot right here. So I'll go ahead and try to finagle that back in there. Like this. Hold on. so you can see there's a spot right there where my middle finger goes, that little notch. That's where it sits. So I'm gonna try to get it in there real quick. This is not fun by any means. This is more of a pain in the neck than anything else, because it's gotta sit in here like this. I think I got it in there. Here we go. There we go. Now it clicks. Okay, so essentially this is what it looks like. This little light here. So that's where it sits. That's why it's such a pain in the ass. But finally got it. So hopefully this works. And then we won't have any more relay problems. And I'll keep you guys updated. But I went ahead and I had put some Type S LED strips on the inside here, and then over there on the footwell. And that blue blinking light, that's one of the other specials. That's a Bluetooth module, and I'll show you guys that tonight. So, but yeah, this is the Type S LED module thing. So I installed that about a week ago, but yeah, I'll put this all together and then come back at you. What's going on, guys? Back here again, and I know you can't see anything right now, but thought I'd shoot that real quick video of the special thing I installed yesterday. So I had went and invested in some underglow. And I've been debating doing this since I've got the car. It's been almost every day debating it, because I don't want to be over the top, but at the same time, hashtag bring back underglow. So yeah, I installed it, did everything. So this is the app. It's Type S underglow. And it's all set up. You got your modes, like I said. Just go into the Type S on YouTube, underglow, and it'll tell you everything about it. Modes it has, but I set it up and it runs off Bluetooth, so I'll give you a little short video of how it looks. I think it looks proper on the car, so check it out. Let me turn the brightness up here. You can't really see because it's so dark, but I'll show you one side of the car here real quick. So this is on a little bit, and then you can adjust the brightness. And it's not wanting to pick up here, so yeah, it just gets really bright. That's maximum brightness. So, but yeah, you can adjust the brightness. You could do music. You can do strobe. You can do fade, so where it fades in and out. It'll just fade. And there's obviously different types of, you can do scan, so if you go, sorry this is kind of hard, if you go to the scan one, push scan, you can pick all types of ones, and it'll sit there and it'll scan, but no, it's scanning right now, so, but yeah. It looks great on the car when it's kind of daylight out, per se, but yeah, I like it. So, that's pretty much it. I'll give you a look at it some other time when it's not so dark out, but yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like on this video, and all comments are welcome. And until next time, lude out. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, lude out.